I'm saying hi from a very nice place here in the Philippines, together with one question about life. The question is, what do you need to be satisfied in your life? How many things and possessions do you need in your life to be satisfied? Looking back on my time here in the Philippines, I observed that I sometimes need less than I thought before. For example, if I traveled in the beginning, I always needed a suitcase to get all my things inside. Now, most of the times I'm just traveling with a backpack. Living here, especially with poorer people, I'm challenged to reflect from time to time on my own consumption. I want to break it down on 2 points I learned about my own consumption that maybe also help you to find a good way to consume in your own life. First, find a lifestyle that is convenient for your situation. For a proper sleep, for example, I need a foam and a mosquito net. My Filipino friends, they are okay with just sleeping on the floor. It's convenient for them. Sometimes people assume that the more we have, the more convenient our life will be. I, for example, have my car, I have my laptop and I have my cell phone. Some of my neighbors, for example, have only their small house, a few t-shirts and 1 pair of slippers. So somehow it's convenient for me to just travel wherever I want, whenever I want with my car. But I recognize that I'm not in every situation more convenient with my lifestyle. If my car has a problem, I'm the one who has to go to the maintenance and to repair it. If my cell phone doesn't work, from time to time I feel bored and don't know what to do. So the challenge to be satisfied for me is more to find a level I'm convenient with. To know what I at least need, but also to know what I maybe don't need. And this maybe leads also to the consequence that I get rid of some things. Maybe I don't need these 20 knives in my kitchen, maybe I only need 5. So why don't getting rid of these things and being convenient with less in your life? Second, consume intentionally. Sometimes we feel bad if we consume, but from my perspective, consuming is a great thing. To do yourself something good is great.
Yay!
But somehow it's not that important what we consume or how much we spend for something. It's more important how we feel about consuming. If I consume intentionally, I'm more aware on how this consume affects myself. Consuming intentionally could, for example, mean to go to a restaurant and enjoy a good meal instead of watching a movie on your sofa and without notice consuming 3 bars of chocolate. In the first case, I decided intentionally to consume. In the second case, I just consumed on the way and didn't really notice. Consuming this way maybe helps you to not just run after the stuff everyone has or thinking you might need everything other people have, but to do it in an intentional way. Having less is not better and having a lot is not always satisfying. Anyway, I hope this video helps you to reflect on your way of consumption. Maybe you go for some changes, and if so, I would be happy to hear from you.